If you're considering cash flow for your business, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. With a growing number of accounting software options available, it's important to understand how cash flow stacks up against the competition and whether it's truly the right choice for your needs. Next thing, KashFlow's user interface is fairly straightforward, but that doesn't mean it's perfect. While it's simpler than some alternatives like Xero or QuickBooks, it can still feel a bit limited for users who want more customization or deeper functionality right out of the box. The third thing is about its features. KashFlow offers strong invoicing and reporting, but compared to tools like QuickBooks, its inventory management and payroll options are a bit more basic. If you need these features to be more advanced, you might want to explore other options that offer more flexibility in these areas. Now let's talk about pricing. KashFlow's pricing is competitive, but it's not the cheapest on the market. When you compare it to free or more affordable options like Wave Accounting, KashFlow may not be as cost-effective unless you're looking for specific features that justify the price point. The fifth thing to keep in mind is customer support. While KashFlow does provide support via email and phone, it's not as extensive as some competitors like FreshBooks, which offers 24/7 support with a wider range of contact methods. If quick, round-the-clock support is essential for you, that's something to consider. Next, let's dive into integrations. KashFlow works well with many third-party apps, but it doesn't have as many options as others like Xero or QuickBooks, which can be a deal breaker for businesses relying on specific integrations for e-commerce or CRM systems. The seventh thing is its mobile experience. While KashFlow does have a mobile app, it doesn't quite match the functionality and design of its desktop version. For users who need full control from their mobile device, you may find other solutions like Zoho Books offering a more robust mobile platform. The eighth thing is multi-currency support. KashFlow does offer multi-currency capabilities, but it's not as seamless as Xero's offering. For international businesses or those dealing with various currencies, the experience may feel a bit cumbersome. Moving on to the ninth point, KashFlow does a great job in helping businesses stay compliant with UK tax laws, but if you're looking for software that handles taxes in multiple countries with similar ease, competitors like QuickBooks or Xero might offer a broader global solution. Next up, KashFlow's reporting is solid for basic needs, but if you're looking for deep analysis or highly customizable reports, tools like Sage Business Cloud or Zoho Books might be a better fit, as they provide a wider variety of in-depth reports out of the box. Now let's discuss automation. KashFlow does provide some automation for recurring invoices and payments, but when compared to tools like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, the automation options feel more limited, which could slow down workflows in larger businesses. The 11th thing you should know is that KashFlow's dashboard is simple, but can be a bit overwhelming when you need to navigate between multiple tasks. If you prefer a dashboard that's more intuitive and personalized, something like Xero or FreshBooks may be more user-friendly. Lastly, KashFlow is a solid option for small businesses, but if you're planning to scale quickly, you may find its features to be lacking in advanced reporting, integrations, and automation options, which could hinder growth. In this case, QuickBooks or Xero may offer the scalability you need. So, is KashFlow a good option for you? Yes, if you're a small UK-based business with straightforward accounting needs. But if you're looking for more robust features, better global support, or advanced automation, we recommend you check out our solution, which you can try for free and see how it compares.